Hello everyone, it's Jefford from Rubik's Academy. It's been some time since I made YouTube videos because I've been so busy with making all the online courses. But actually, I'm back, okay? At the same time, I'm actually busy with starting up the Rubik's Academy application. Basically, it's an application that works like Uber, like Grab, but instead of booking cars and booking a taxi, you book lessons with different trainers, with all kinds of trainers, all kinds of courses listed on the platform itself. So I'm busy with these two things. That's why I took a break from YouTube. But now I'm back, okay, because the digital lessons are up. It's on Udemy. I will do a brief introduction on it later, but basically it's all up, okay, and it's all running. So it's all good, okay? Now, today we're talking about how to make money in the markets, okay? And I think this will be a very short lesson because at the end of the day, okay, it's pretty easy how to make, it's pretty easy making money in the markets. Okay, there are primarily two ways to make money from the markets, right? The first way, okay, is via just trading and investing, okay? Now, if you're watching this is the beginner's edition for trading and investment. So if you're a veteran, you shouldn't even be watching this series because whatever I'm about to say will just look elementary and noobish and amateurish to you. Okay? Now, the first way is through trading and investment, which leads to what we call capital appreciation. Right? Now, capital appreciation basically refers to buying low and selling high. Okay, so for example, you bought shares of this company at $5, okay, and you sold it for $7, okay, which means per share you are making $2. Okay, so this is what we mean by capital appreciation. So the stock itself goes up in value. Okay, now the second way of making money in the financial markets is through this thing called dividends, right? Dividends. Alright, for dividends, it's also pretty basic, pretty simple. It's basically a form of recurring income. Okay, it's a form of recurring income. Basically, when you hold on to shares and stocks, alright, every quarter or every year, it depends on whether the dividends are quarterly or annual. If it's quarterly, it means that the dividends is issued every 3 months. Because 1 year has 4 quarters, right? Because 1 year has 12 months. 12 divided by 3 gives you 4. That's why there are 4 quarters in a year. Okay, annual is 1 year, right? Dividends is basically a fixed amount of money that you get with each share. Okay, now what does that mean? It means that, for example, let's say for example the dividend per share is $5. This will never happen, but just for illustration's purpose, $5 per share. All right, this is the dividend rate. We call this the dividend rate. Okay, so if you are holding on to 1,000 shares, the total amount of dividends that you will get as cash, that means deposited straight to your bank account, would be 1,000 multiplied by 5, which gives you 5,000. So a lot of times in the market we hear people talking about passive income, but this is what I call truly passive income. That means dividends is one of the true, real passive income that you will get on this earth. There are a lot of projects out there that promise you passive income. I'm not going to go into them, but there are many. Many will turn out to be Ponzi's, many will turn out to be money game. Alright, but when it comes to getting dividends from stocks that are listed on an exchange, it is as legitimate as it gets. Okay, these are cash payouts that go straight to your bank account, and the moment you buy those shares, the dividends will start accumulating. It's just a matter of when the payout will be given to your bank account. Alright, so you literally do not do anything for the company. There is nothing that you have to do. Just by virtue of the fact that you are a shareholder, you are entitled to the dividends. So that is what I call truly passive, because you are not doing anything at all. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Very short, just a summary. The two ways you can make money from the market is, number one, through capital appreciation. All right, and number two, through dividends. All right, thank you very much. Okay, now just for those of you who want a crash course, all right, for those of you who want a crash course, all right, this is what I would recommend going to Udemy. All right, I actually put some of my courses there. I also host my own courses on my own website. That will be in the near future where I will have more courses, but for now I'm putting my courses on Udemy. Okay, now if I just go to Udemy, okay, so you can look at my courses as an instructor. All right, let's so I have all these courses, all right, that are right now, okay, right here. Okay, these are all my courses. Okay, so I just started, right, but so far I've been getting full star reviews, right, because all these are my followers, so they give me full stars. Also on the fact that because I've done a good job of educating them. All right, so I've just only started this week. Okay, that's why I'm back on YouTube. But in any case, if you guys are looking for crash courses on stocks trading or on value investing, I have these 3 courses on Udemy. All right, I'm gonna put the link to those courses in the description below, so make sure you click on them and purchase these courses if you want to. Now these courses go for incredibly cheap. As you can see, it's $29 Sing, $19 Sing dollars right now, and with the discount that you will get as a new Udemy user, you will get an even cheaper price. Okay, so there's no reason not to go for it. It's a crash course. There are captions all there, and I explain much more in detail what I explain on YouTube. Okay, so I'll put a promo link in the description below. Click on it, go there, purchase the course, or just go watch the course preview if you're not sure, or just subscribe to this channel, because there will be more and more content coming up, not just for stocks, but on bonds, on even on subject matters outside of finance, because I'm interviewing experts all the time. Okay, and at the same time, I will share with you some of the deeper insights that I will get from my mobile app, from the Academy's mobile app, because I will know who's doing what kind of learning at what time, right? That is also useful data. All right, so Rubik's Academy, we focus on adult empowerment. You follow us, subscribe to us on Instagram, on YouTube for more free content. Okay, that's it for this small session. That's all. Thank you very much. My name is Jefford Lim from Rubik's Academy.